Watch this. This window looks reasonably clean, right? Cleaned it just over a week ago. This is already dirty. Looks reasonably clean, but watch this. You see all that crap? And that crap, and this crap, and this crap, and this crap. You can feel it. And this crap, I'm going to detail all that. I'm not going to film me doing it. This is a before picture, and I'll do an after. I'm going to clean, even in here. I'm going to clean all that, and I use a sharp screwdriver to do that, to get in there. These windows are going to look brand new. There you have it. That's a detailed window. Got right in these cracks. Got in this crack. This is scratched permanently from the wheel. I got in this crack. I got in this crack. I got in this crack. I got in that crack. Clean. All the fly shit gone. I like to use this stuff. It cuts through the nicotine and the fly shit. And then I do a rinse with that.